8th standard. 8th standard Hindi, the first lesson. Previously I had taken the first poem. Now this is the first lesson. Poem notes I will be giving today. You need to write those notes in your classwork. 8th standard students. The previous poem was Prarthana. That notes I will be giving you. You need to write the notes in your classwork. Now today I am taking this lesson. मिर्च मसाला. मिर्च मसाले का मतलब क्या है? We all have the habit of saying, okay, whatever we see, whatever we hear, we say to others. That is the human nature. हम जो कुछ भी देखते हैं, हम जो कुछ भी सुनते हैं, जो कुछ भी अनुभव करते हैं, क्या करते हैं? हमें क्या होता है? हमें इच्छा होती है कि हम दूसरों से उसे बांटे या दूसरों को बताएं. पर कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो भी कुछ देखते हैं उसे और बढ़ा चढ़ाकर, ओके, और बढ़ा चढ़ाकर उसे दूसरों को बोलते हैं. So some people know they have the habit. Whatever they see the fact, whether it has to be told or whether it has to be kept as a secret, that they will not see. If it has to be kept as a secret, they will not keep as a secret first of all. And moreover, what they will do, they will say some own things from their side also. If little has happened, they will add more to that. They will misuse the things and they will elaborate the things in wrong way. They will confuse the people and they will forward the message to the other people from their side. So that is mirch masala. जो भी बात कही, सुनी या कही गई है उसे और बढ़ा चढ़ा कर बोलना. In your own ways you are elaborating the thing. Whatever you have seen, that fact you are not saying. Whatever the thing you have seen or you have heard, that truth only you are not saying. Apart from that, you are saying your own things also, which has not happened, which has not occurred at all. With your imagination only you are creating and you are elaborating that things and you are saying. So क्या है? बातों को, ओके, बातों को बढ़ा चढ़ाकर बोलना, अपनी ओर से बढ़ा चढ़ाकर बोलना जो कभी हुई नहीं है. The things which have not occurred in that incident. But you are saying, you are putting your own ideas and you are saying in an elaborated manner, misusing that incident, harming somebody, that is known as mirch masala. तो हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? बातों को अपनी ओर से बढ़ा चढ़ा कर बोलना, उसे कहते हैं मिर्च मसाला. तो एक ये कहानी के तौर पे है. इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ दिस वन स्टोरी. इट इज अ फोक स्टोरी. ओके, लोक कथा है एक. तो सुनिए ध्यान से. लिसन टू मी केयरफुली. यू आर नॉट हैविंग द बुक्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, सो आई विल बी रीडिंग द लेसन. आई विल बी पॉइंटिंग आउट द हार्ड वर्ड्स. यू कैन जस्ट लिसन टू मी. एक दिन शाम को भोलू आंगन में बैठकर दूध पी रहा था. तो कौन है कैरेक्टर यहाँ? द फर्स्ट मैन इन द स्टोरी इज दी भोलू. क्या नाम है उस आदमी का? भोलू. भोलू क्या कर रहा था? आंगन में बैठकर दूध पी रहा था. आंगन मतलब द ओपन यार्ड इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर हाउस. द ओपन एरिया इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर हाउस इज नोन एज आंगन. तो आंगन में बैठकर क्या कर रहा था? भोलू दूध पी रहा था. उसे खांसी आई. सडनली ही काफ्ड. खांसी मतलब काफिंग, काफ. उसे खांसी आई. दूध का लोटा लुढ़क गया था. लुढ़क गया तथा थोड़ा सा दूध मुंह से निकलकर जमीन पर फैल गया. सो व्हेन ही काफ्ड, व्हाइल ही वाज काफिंग, whatever the tumbler he was having of milk, that fell down from slipped from his hand and fell down on the floor. All the milk also spilled on the floor. दूध आंगन में बिखर गया. तो उसने क्या देखा? फैले हुए दूध में उसने क्या देखा? वह घबरा गया. तो क्या देखता है? फैले हुए दूध में उसे दो पंख दिखाई दिए. तो उस दूध में क्या थे? दो पंख थे. पंख मतलब क्या? feathers he saw. He saw two feathers in that spilled milk. तो भोलू आंगन में बैठकर दूध पी रहा था. He was drinking milk and suddenly he coughed and he spilled the milk down. So in that milk he saw two feathers. दूध में उसको दो पंख दिखाई दिए. पंख मतलब क्या है? feathers. वह घबरा गया. He was very afraid. अपनी पत्नी हीरा को बुलाकर कहा. So he called his wife. Okay. उसकी वाइफ कौन है? भोलू की पत्नी कौन है? भोलू की वाइफ है हीरा. हीरा को बुलाकर कहता है. भोलू हीरा को बुलाकर कहता है, देखो तुम किसी से नहीं कहोगी तो मैं तुमसे एक बात बताऊं. So he is telling you don't say, if you don't say anybody about this, I want to say something to you. कसम से किसी से नहीं कहूंगी. So she is telling promise I will not say to anybody. कसम से मतलब promise I will not say to anybody. पत्नी बोली, भोलू ने दूध में पंख बात बता दी। सो भोलू क्या करता है, बता देता है कि मैं दूध पी रहा था, ऐसा मुझे खांसी आई, दूध गिर गया, तो दूध में क्या थे, 2 पंख ऐसे दिखे मुझे। तो उसकी पत्नी को मालूम होता है कि दूध में क्या थे, 2 पंख थे। सो शी ऑल्सो कम्स टू नो व्हाई व्हाट वाज देयर इन द मिल्क। हीरा इस बात को पचा ना पाई, उसका पेट फूलने लगा। सो व्हाट हैपेंड नाउ, she already had promised, Hira had promised to her husband Bolu that she will not say anything about this incident to anybody, but now she was having some sensation in the stomach. I have to say something, I have to go and say about this to some of my friends. So she became restless. No, I want to say, some people they have the habit, okay, when they see something, when they are asked to hide those things, no, they will become restless to go and say those things. So now she also is of that nature only. Now she has promised that she will not say anything about this matter to anybody, but now she has become restless. Somehow I want to go and say, and I want to vomit that from my mouth. उसका पेट फूलने लगा। फूलने लगा मतलब stomach was becoming big. Literally it was not becoming big. Means to say she was restless to say now. अपनी पड़ोसन चंपा से कहा। So she goes and she says to her neighbor चंपा। चंपा इज द लेडी हु इज इन नेबरहुड। ओके, तो क्या कहते हैं चंपा से, एक रोज की बात है, जानती हो आज क्या हुआ, उनके मुंह से कबूतर के पंख निकले, बहुत सारे, मुझे चिंता हो रही है, पर किसी से मत कहना। चंपा बोली, तुम भी किसी से मत कहना, लोग बात का बतंगड़ बना देंगे। सो शी गोज टू हर नेबर चंपा एंड शी सेज व्हाट शी सेड, शी डिडंट से दैट ओनली 2 feathers were seen in the milk. What she said, many feathers. Or she didn't say that only it was seen in the milk. She said it has come out from his husband's mouth. She said it did not come out from his mouth. It was just seen in the milk. But what she said many feathers came out from my husband's mouth when he took out the milk from his mouth. Many feathers came out. So this is what she is doing. She is not saying the reality. She is not saying 2 feathers by mistake it had fallen in the milk. They had fallen in the milk, and when he was drinking, when the milk spilled down and the 2 feathers were seen. That is the real thing what she has to say. But what she is saying, no, many feathers came out from my husband's mouth only, she is saying to Champa. So that is mirch masala lagakar. That is the thing what you are elaborating in your own way, the things that you are telling. So Champa se kehte kisi se mat kehna. She is telling, don't say to others. She is again warning her. चंपा से रहा न गया। सो चंपा नो व्हाट शी इज डूइंग, शी इज गोइंग एंड सेइंग टू समबडी एल्स। उसे लगा कि अगर यह बात किसी से नहीं कही तो उसका पेट फट जाएगा। सो शी थिंक्स दैट इफ आई डोंट से दिस मैटर टू एनीबडी माय स्टमक विल ब्लास्ट। ओके, सो दैट मीन्स व्हाट, शी इज आल्सो ऑफ दैट नेचर ओनली। whatever is there, whatever she has come to know, she has to go and say to somebody. That is her nature. अपनी सहेली चमेली को देखते ही उसने सारी बातों को, चंपा क्या कहती है, जाकर अपनी सहेली, चंपा अपनी फ्रेंड को जाकर बोलती है। चंपा की फ्रेंड कौन है, हु इज चंपा's फ्रेंड, चंपा की फ्रेंड चमेली है। तो पहले भोलू अपनी पत्नी हीरा को बताता है, हीरा चंपा को बताती है, चंपा चमेली को बताती है। क्या कहती है चमेली, अपनी सहेली चमेली को देखते ही उसने सारी बात उगल दी। कहने से पहले चमेली से वादा करवा लिया। सो बिफोर शी सेज दैट एवरीथिंग टू चमेली, शी टेक्स प्रॉमिस फ्रॉम हर। शी टेल्स हर टू डू you make the promise that you will not say this to anybody. चंपा बोली, देखो तो भोलू जी को आज खांसी आई और उनके मुंह से पूरा कबूतर निकला। सो व्हाट शी इज सेइंग, what she is saying, Champa she is saying to Chameli, today Bolu when he was drinking milk, he coughed. When he coughed, a full pigeon came out from his mouth. Okay, not 1, 2 feathers, actually it is 2 feathers. But Hira what he said, she said many feathers came out from his mouth, he said. But Champa what she is saying, again she is elaborating and she is saying, third person, the third person is elaborating and saying that full pigeon, कबूतर मतलब bird, pigeon came out from his mouth only. चमेली को विश्वास नहीं हुआ, चमेली could not believe that. विश्वास मतलब believe, नहीं हुआ मतलब could not. पूरा कबूतर तो इतना बड़ा पक्षी है, खाया कैसे होगा, how he might have eaten that. Okay, it is so big, no? Pigeon is so big bird. How could he eat that, and how he could remove from his mouth such a big bird? She was astonished. She could not believe. Who? चमेली, चंपा की सहेली। कुछ ही देर बाद किसी पड़ोसन ने सुना कि भोलू के मुंह से झुंड के झुंड कबूतर, कौवे, गौरैये, मुर्गे आदि निकल रहे हैं। तो कुछ ही देर में, थोड़ी ही देर में, so from one mouth to other mouth, from other mouth to another mouth, so like that the whole village came to know, and the whole people know from one by one what happened. That matter got elaborated so much that all were speaking one or the other thing, and it came to know that they came to know that in the village that this Bolu, from the mouth of Bolu, many varieties of birds are coming. So this is all hearsay. It is not the fact. They are elaborating things and they are saying. They are not saying what is fact. जो सच्चाई है वो नहीं बता रहे हैं. अपनी अपनी ओर से क्या करते हैं, कुछ ना कुछ मसाला लगा के बोल देते हैं. तो इतना मसाला लगा के बोल दिया सब लोगों ने, तो क्या अंत में क्या सुनने में आया गांव में? At the last, what was heard in the village? It was heard that from the mouth of Bolu, different kinds of birds were coming out. Which were the different kinds of birds? That too in groups. Okay, in flock of birds were coming out from his mouth. झुंड मतलब group, flock. झुंड के झुंड कबूतर, कबूतर मतलब pigeon, कौवे मतलब crow, गौरैये sparrow, मुर्गे cocks. All types of birds were coming from his mouth. आदि निकल रहे हैं। गांव में यहाँ तक खबर फैल गई कि कई आकार तथा रंग के पक्षी, विदेश के पक्षी भी भोलू के मुंह से निकल रहे हैं। They also said that many varieties of colorful birds are coming. Even the birds which are not seen in our country, which are there in abroad, okay, the international species are also coming out from his mouth. That much they elaborated the fact and they said. विदेशों के, विदेश मतलब बाहर गांव के, आउट ऑफ कंट्री, व्हाट वी सी सम ऑफ द बर्ड्स व्हिच आर नॉट सीन इन आवर कंट्री, दोस वैरायटीज, दोस स्पीशीज ऑफ बर्ड्स आर आल्सो कमिंग आउट फ्रॉम हिज माउथ। ओके, भोलू के मुंह में निकल रहे हैं और इन पक्षियों से आकाश भर गया, राई का पहाड़ बन गया। राई का पहाड़ बन गया मतलब राई मीन स्मॉल पार्टिकल, पहाड़ मतलब बिग माउंटेन। It was a small issue. What was a small issue? That two feathers were seen in his milk. That was the fact. That was a small issue. Okay, but from mouth to mouth it spread and it took the form of a big mountain. Okay, the people said that many varieties of birds are coming from his mouth. That was the big thing what was made by the people. राई का पहाड़ बन गया। यह चमत्कार देखने के लिए दूर दूर से लोग आने लगे। बेचारा भोलू भयभीत होकर किसी एक पेड़ पर छिप गया था। थोड़ी देर बाद सब लोगों ने उसे ढूंढ निकाला। उसकी घबराहट देखकर लोगों को समझ में आया कि किसी भी रहस्य को बताने से पहले 10 बार सोचना चाहिए। So now who was put in tension? Who was harmed? Who had the effect on this of all this? Bolu. Bolu had suffered. Okay, many people were trying to come to see him. So because of that fear, no, he was afraid and he went and settled on the top of the tree. He went and sat on the top of the tree. He was really very much afraid what news has spread all over the village. So this kind of thing we should not do. We should not harm somebody. What secrets you have to keep, you have to keep within yourself, because everything cannot be said. If you are saying also, if it is a good thing, if you are saying also, what is the fact, that only you should say. On your own thing you should not add something in that and you should not say to others. It may harm others also. If it is not good, it may harm the others also. So that is the concept of the lesson. Okay, first of all, what is the thing? The things which has to be kept secretly, they should not be shared to anybody. If it is a good thing, if you want to share it, you share it, but you say the real fact. No need of elaborating the things, no need of putting something on your own and saying and causing harm to others. That is the concept of the lesson. Hope so you all have understood this lesson. Now what you need to do is the previous poems, Prarthana poem, lessons note, poems notes I will be giving, that you need to write and practice the question answers, write and practice. You need to write all these notes in your classroom. Hope so you all have understood the poem and the lesson. Thank you.